Hi guys, it's me again. It's Katie Tacey with the Gillott Home Team, Keller Williams Realty, Mid-Willamette. And I am here at 582 East Isabella Street. I am super excited to show you guys this one. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and just get right to it. So look how cute. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath home built in 1906. It has 1,956 square feet and it sits on a 1/4 acre. And I just love the east side of William Street. It is so quiet. And there's just so many homes with character back here. It's a great neighborhood. Lots of potential with this one. So it's gonna be a pretty clean slate for you to implement all of your own ideas into it. So let's see here. Great front porch. And then I'll just show you your view from your porch. Again, super quiet neighborhood. Okay, and then I will take you in. Hardwood floors. Here is our living room that you come into. Pellet stove. And then I'll just take you right into bedroom number 1. Wood floors, but it looks like they might need some sanding and refinishing. But it's a perfect opportunity to do it all exactly how you want. Both of the downstairs bedrooms connect to the bathroom. So it's a Jack and Jill feature. Double sinks, huge bathroom, there's the shower. And then another cool thing, both bedrooms have a laundry hamper that connects to this bathroom because the laundry and the washer and dryer hookup is right here. So the laundry from the closets of both those bedrooms just flips right over, which is a really cool old feature. And then we kind of go through this closet and then into bedroom number 2. So, see, there's that laundry hamper. And then bedroom number 2. And I will take you into the kitchen. Big and open. Look at that. Look at that cool old phone. I love this old door. It's got the half door feature there, so that's pretty neat. Let the air in, keep the kids in. Okay, and then back here is bathroom number 2, which is a completely clean slate for you to make it exactly how you want. This door here goes to the basement. I'm not gonna go down there because I'm by myself and I'm not really feeling that. But definitely extra storage having that down there. Got all these big, beautiful windows. And then I will take you upstairs. Again, I love all the original woodwork in this home. So you get up here and it opens to a large second living room. And it's got a wall furnace there. So a nice big second living room and 2 more bedrooms up here. A lot of possibilities. I would love to see before and after photos that someone did if they took this on. And this is the last bedroom, bedroom number 4. Go back downstairs. It's a great view of the living room. And then I'm gonna take you guys out back. Look at this beautiful deck. And like I said, this is a 1/4 acre, so it's got a large home and a large yard. So you got a storage shed back there and also another storage shed right here. And looks like some ivy kind of going over the fence lines and hedges, so it is really, really private back here. And then I'll just pan back. Such a unique home with tons of character. It'd just be the great spot to make it your own. Okay, well, I think that about covers it. If there's anything I missed, pipe in, let me know. I'm just gonna run over the specs one more time real quick. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath. And the home was built in 1906. It's 1,956 square feet, 1/4 acre lot. And it's listed at $226,900. So if you are interested in more info about this, you want a full detail on it, have any questions, or want to make an offer, anything like that, call the office 541-451-2211, or just comment directly on this video and we will get back to you. I think that about covers it. Like I said, if there's anything else you want to see that I missed, pipe in real quick. I would say keep an eye out today. We do have other agents going out and videoing some other great homes so you guys can stay home and view them. And so just keep an eye on those today. Let me know if you have any questions on this one, and we'll see you later. Bye.